I know who you are. You're the most famous huntress in the kingdom. I'm Glissando, the most beloved bard of the Glitterati. They even call me the Enchanted Lute. A bit embarrassing, yeah. Anyway, I just performed at King Elion's castle. I was on my way to another stage when I overheard the king and his retinue talking. It seems the highwaymen have cost the royal treasury enormous sums of money, so Elion has decided to cut a new trade route through a magical forest. But anyone in the kingdom who isn't playing with dolls knows that the balance of the forest must not be disturbed. After all, its powers are nourished by a great deity, the giant Dendront. If the woodcutters cut down half of those ancient trees, we'll be screwed. I was so horrified that I let out an audible gasp, and the king's guards overheard me. Even though they had bows and arrows, I was able to outrun them, but then your horse appeared out of nowhere. It was nice to meet you. I would stay and chat, but I'm in a hurry to find the ancient Dendront and inform him of the king's plans. If there's a war brewing, I want to try to stop it and save this forest. I know you didn't mean to hit me, but I can hardly stand on my feet right now, and I don't think I could escape a second time if the king's men come after me. So, could you do me a favor? Guide me through the woods. You must know the area well. Please. Isn't your home in the wilderness where the keepers of the forest live? Somewhere off the paths nearby? We could go there first and discuss a plan. What do you think? Thank you. I'll certainly repay you for your kindness someday. But for now, please, take this as a token of my gratitude.
Evelyn, who is this? Oh, you must be the famous bard, Glissando. Come in, come in. I'm Orion, Evelyn's father. We will, of course, help you get through these woods and reach the border, sir.
Open up, Orion. It's the Royal Guard. We're looking for the intruder. The king has ordered to search all the houses.
Oh no, please, help me find a place to hide.
Be right there. Hey, hide here, quick. Hurry, the basement hatch is under the carpet. Hello. Sorry it took me so long to open the door. I was busy at the forge, you know, and these knees are not what they used to be. Please, come in.
There is a bard known as Glissando, hiding somewhere in these woods. By order of the King Elion himself, this bard must be taken into custody. If you you see him, report to the nearest guard post immediately and tell them what you know. Goodbye.
Phew. We need to get Glissando out of here as soon as possible. I know how to get to the ancient Dendron quickly. Evelyn, please bring me some writing utensils so I can draw a map with the shortest route.